it's a me, Shelfsters. So today, as you can tell, I haven't even put my makeup on or anything because I got these caterpillar to butterflies that have to be opened right away. So I didn't have time to get ready, but we're gonna open this. Yeah. Ooh. There's a little caterpillar up here. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited! Look at them! Look at them! They're moving. It comes with directions, so don't worry. It tells you how to grow your beautiful painted lady butterflies. So they all are alive and they are started to acclimate a little bit. As you can see, the caterpillars are way smaller than a penny and they are all moving and alive. Some of them are up top. been in their cocoon for about 3 days now. So you still want to be very careful. But we're gonna put them standing up so that if they get ready to hatch, we're gonna put them in here. So what you do, the pack comes with 2 of these guys, and you're gonna put the lids in this standing up. So this is the butterfly food for once they hatch. So we're gonna hold on to that. All right, guys, so our butterflies are all ready for us to go ahead and let outside. Let's go ahead and go outside. So we're gonna open up our case. I'm gonna put it on this chair. We're gonna open up the case and just let our butterflies go. And I'm gonna keep this out here so that they know that this is home, just in case they wanna come back and visit me. And she's off. Oh my goodness. She don't want to leave that one.
Leave the butterfly. Smokey! 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 You get in the house. You're not gonna mess with these butterflies.
Oh, this guy's little. You little. Hey. Hi. You beautiful. She's like shaking her wings. Are you talking to me? Bye-bye. I'm getting used to the wind out here. Beautiful. We'll be doing this again, so make sure you follow.